Honor 90 GT to feature slimmer bezels on 3 sides compared to iPhone 15 Pro. Honor 90 GT, an upcoming smartphone from Honor, is set to launch on December 21st, as officially announced by the company. Just days before its launch, a Weibo tipster has sparked interest by leaking details about the device's design, particularly its bezels. According to the tipster, the Honor 90 GT boasts impressively narrower bezels on 3 sides when compared to the iPhone 15 Pro, with one side being nearly identical. This design element adds to the phone's overall aesthetics, making it visually appealing. Aside from its sleek bezels, the phone's gaming performance has also been put to the test. The tipster reported that it managed over 5 hours of uninterrupted gameplay on Honor of Kings without encountering any touch issues or significant lag. In fact, he humorously added that the only issue was that he got tired from playing for such a long time. Honor 90 GT specifications leaked. Earlier, promotional images of the Honor 90 GT were accidentally leaked through a product listing. These images reveal the phone's design, highlighting a vertically arranged dual rear camera setup with dual flashlights for improved camera performance in dark environments and a GT logo. The front of the phone features a centrally located punch-hole selfie camera and of course a narrow bezel display. In terms of performance, Honor 90 GT is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a choice that has raised expectations for the device's overall performance, making it a highly anticipated launch in the smartphone market. The device will also offer various memory configurations, including 12GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 512GB, and a whopping 24GB plus 1TB. In terms of optics, the device is expected to feature dual 50MP cameras with OIS support. When it comes to color options, the Honor 90 GT is set to offer blue, which appears to be the flagship color, as well as classic black and gold options. All these details will be officially confirmed on December 21st street. Additionally, alongside the Honor 90 GT, Honor may also introduce other devices like the Honor X50 GT and the Honor Tablet 9.